Good morning, students. This is the fifth video on the chapter Ratio and Proportions and Inquiry Method. Today we are going to solve some word problem from the exercise 8a. So in the exercise 8a, look at question number 4. In question number 4 say that if the ratio of the length to the breadth of a rectangle be 5 is to 3 and its perimeter is 144 meter, find the length of the rectangle. So two concepts here. One is given the ratio of the length and breadth, and suppose we will take the length as 5x and the breadth as 3x, then we can find out the length of the rectangle. Okay, and what is the perimeter of a rectangle? The formula is 2 into length plus breadth. Okay. So let us start with the concept. The ratio of length and breadth equal to 5 is to 3. So we can take length as 5x and breadth equal to 3x, breadth equal to 3x, and apply the formula perimeter of a rectangle. So perimeter equal to perimeter of rectangle equal to how much? That is 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into L plus B. What it is given here? That is 144 meter. 144 meter. Or 2 into length. Length is how much here? 5x. 5x plus breadth is how much? That is 3x. Equal to 144 meter. So here 5x plus 3x, that is equal to 8x. So 2 into 8x equal to 144 meter, or 16x equal to how much? 144 meter, or x equal to 144 upon 16. That is equal to 16 9 ja how much? 16 9 ja 144. So x we got 9 meter. X we got 9 meter. So now you can easily find out the length. So what is length? Therefore question is asking the length. Therefore length of the rectangle equal to, the ratio is how much? 5x. So 5x. In place of x we will write 9. That is 9 meter. So answer will be 5 9 ja 45 meter. So here we got length of the rectangle is 45 meter. Look at question number 6 from the exercise 8a. The question says that divide 104 pencils among 3 children in the ratio 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. So whenever this 3 type of ratio is coming, 3 ratio, then we have to find out the LCM of the denominator first. So what is the LCM of 2, 3, 4? Let's find out. 2, 3, 4 LCM is 2 3 are 6 2 are 12. So that is LCM is coming 12. So what is the first ratio? That is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into, if you multiply 12, then you get the first share, that is 2 6 ja 12. So again this ratio is minimized. We are simplifying the ratio. So the first ratio is 6. What is the second ratio? That is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 into 12, that is equal to 3 4 ja 12. So the second ratio is 4. Now what is the third ratio? That is 1 by 4 into 12. So here 4 3 ja 12. So third ratio is coming 3. So here this ratio 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. After simplifying we get 6 is to 4 is to 3. So the new ratio equal to, new ratio equal to how much? That is 6 is to 4 is to 3. Now we have to find out the share, because total pencil is 104. You have to divide into 3 share so that they will get in this ratio, that is 6 is to 4 is to 3. So therefore first share equal to how much? First share is 6. So 6 upon total how much? Total share, that is 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 3 13. You can write here total share equal to 6 plus 4 plus 3, that is equal to 13. So 6 upon 13 into how much total pencil? That is 104. Here 13 8 jar 104. So 8 6 jar 48. So first share we got, that is 48. What about the second share? Therefore second share equal to is 4. So 4 upon 13 into how much? Total number pencil 104. Again 13 8 jar 104, 4 8 jar 32. Okay, now we'll find out the third share. Therefore third share equal to, what is the ratio of the third share? That is 3 upon the total share. Total share is how much? That is 13 into 104. So 13 8 jar 104 and 3 into 8 jar 3 8 jar 24. So we have divided the 104 pencil into 3 parts. The first part is 48, second part is 32, and the third part is 24. Now look at the question number 11 from the same exercise, that is 8a. The question number 11 says that the ratio of expenditure to the saving of a family is 7:3. Find the income if the expenditure is given, that is 6,300. So here the ratio of expenditure to the saving is 7:3. So what is the total ratio? Total ratio equal to 7 plus 3, that is 10. Okay, if we take the expenditure as 7x, if expenditure equal to 7x, then what is the ratio equation? Then 7x upon 10. 7x upon 10, we have to find out 7x upon 10, because x you have to find out. 7x how much? That is 6,300. Okay, or x equal to 6,300 into 10 upon 7. So 7, if you divide with this one, 6300 divided with 7, 7 9 are 63, then put 00, that is equal to how much? 9,000. So x equal to 9,000. What is x? That is the income. Find the income, ask me. So what is income? Therefore income equal to 9,000. So here income is 9,000 and the expenditure already given. So this is the solution of this question, because question is asking the income. Now look at question number 13. Question number 13 say that Reena lost her weight in the ratio 5:3. Her original weight was 80 kg. What is her new weight? Suppose let the ratio of 5:3 is given. So 5 is original weight. Always original weight is more, because Reena lost her weight, so it will reduce. So let original weight equal to how much? That is 5x or 5 it is. Okay, and reduced weight or new weight, new, reduced or new weight of Reena equal to 3. Ratio is 3. So what is the ratio? Therefore 5 is to 3, that means 5 is the original weight and 3 is the reduced weight. And in the question it is given that original weight was how much? 80 kg. So equal to 80 upon x. What is x? The new weight. Okay, x is the new weight. Let x be the new weight of Reena. Okay, so Reena lost her weight. So from the beginning her weight is 80 kg. Let's see after. So from the beginning her weight is 80 kg. Let's see after reduce the weight, her weight is how much. So find out x here, you will get the answer, or cross multiply, that is 5x equal to 80 into 3, or x equal to 80 into 3 upon 5. So 80 is divided with, divisible with 5. 5 1 jar 5, 8 minus 5 is 3, 30, 5 6 jar 30. So 16 3 jar how much? That is 48, and 48 is what? 48 is kg, 48 kg. So the question is asking what is the new weight. Therefore the new weight of Reena is 48 kg. Okay, I hope you understand all the word problem discussed today. In home you practice rest of the word problem.